So most of you are asking about the work mate play game. Should we complete it or not, or why there is no mention of any arcade point over there? So here I'll cover this topic. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming to the arcade homepage directly here, you can see something strange is there. Like all games are having their arcade points listed over here. But if you come to the work mate play, that is a cloud.cares. Basically, it's a work mate play cloud series. So there is no mention of points. So does it mean we won't be getting any arcade points? So let's uncover this mystery. Okay, first of all, you need to understand that the work mid play is just like a series of game. You'll be getting one arcade point for completing the arcade game. But who will be getting one arcade point? You need to be in top 50. Means top 50. Suppose the game started around 6 p.m. today and you completed within 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe within 24 hours. And if you are part of the top 50 people who complete the game, top 50 does not mean that you are in top 50 in the leaderboard, right? It does not mean you are in the top 50 in this leaderboard. Okay, you can see top 50 means the top 50 people who have earned this badge when the game was live, and you were the part of the people who completed this batch. Okay, within top 50 range. They have their own leaderboard. They will update you via email if you make up to top 50 that you have earned one arcade point. But suppose if you are starting now, so as of now, if you try to complete the game, will you get one arcade point? No, because by now the people have already completed the game. You can clearly see that more than 1,000 people have already completed the batch. So that directly means that most of the people are already in top 50 and even more than that. So how you getting so is there any benefit of completing this game? So yes, if you complete the games from January, okay, January till June, there will be series of work mid play. If you complete entire series without missing up any, like for example you completed January till March and you missed the April and May game, so it will be a loss. Okay, so it will be a loss means you won't be getting an arcade point. But if you continue from Jan till June, all games, whether you are in the leaderboard or not, okay, whether you are in the leaderboard or not, leaderboard does not mean this leaderboard. The top 50 people who complete the batch means earn the batch. Okay, so if you make up to the top 50 leaderboard, then you'll be getting the 7 points. Okay, for all the games. I think 6 points it will be. So you'll be getting 6 arcade points over there. Oh, right. So you need to continue all the games. So if you are free, if you have completed all the arcade games, you can simply. So in simple words, it means that if you continue the entire series from Jan to June of the work mid play, you get some bonus points. Means you'll be getting the entire bonus points. Okay. See, 6 points to be precise. And if you are in the top 10 leaderboard, suppose if you are in the top 10 means top 50 leaderboard, then you'll be getting that point also. Let me simplify. If you completed Jan games and you are in top 50, so you get one arcade point for it, but somehow you could not manage to reach up to the top 50 criteria till June. So this 1.1 is separately will be added to other 6 points, okay, which you have earned throughout the cohort. So in total, you will be earning 7 arcade points. So I hope it clears your doubt. As of now, if you want to avoid this batch, there is no issue. You can complete the remaining batch. But if you want to work on it, simply complete it. This was the quick update. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.